Today I will show how to draw a straight line with a brush and a ruler. This will work with watercolor and also with oil color and acrylic color as long as you make the color smooth enough so that you can draw the line. If oil color or acrylic color is too sticky, it won't work to draw a beautiful line. You should use a stiff and solid ruler to paint. You should use a round brush with a good tip. The best results you will get with a red sable brush. Don't use brushes with worn-out tips, flat brushes or brushes with stiff hair. They won't make a beautiful line. Take the ruler into your left hand and push the ruler with the thumb against the index finger and the middle finger. The index finger and the middle finger should support the ruler. The angle between the paper and the ruler should be 35 to 50 degrees. With the right hand you hold the brush so that the metal of the brush can slide along the ruler at the top of the ruler, and the nail of your finger slides along at the back side of the ruler. Use only the tip of the brush to draw the line. Now you can watch me drawing a few lines. Now it will need a little practice till you can draw a straight line. If it don't work, change the brush and try another one. Thank you for watching and good luck with trying it.